In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to rearrange letters to form words. So quickly, in this tutorial, I'm going to rearrange the following words. Look at them. So these are the words. One is this, two is this, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so the prompt I'm giving ChatGPT is rearrange these letters to form words. So that's the prompt. So let's watch and see what ChatGPT does. It's going to rearrange these letters and form words within few seconds. Voila, done. Simple. So this is how to use ChatGPT to rearrange letters to form words. So those letters you could see were scrambled, okay? But now having passed through the tool, ChatGPT has rearranged all those scrambled letters and formed the words. Okay, so thanks for watching. This was just wanted to show you quickly how to use ChatGPT to rearrange scrambled letters to form words.